This is exercise 10-2, and we are working on direct material variances. Sandar Industry, the heart of Malaysia, manufactures sporting equipment. One of the company's products, a football helmet for the North American market, requires a special plastic. During the quarter end, June 30, the company manufactured 35 helmets using 22,500 kilograms of plastic. The plastic cost the company 171,000 RM. The currency in Malaysia is ringgit, which is denoted here by RM. According to the standard cost, each helmet should require 0.6 kilograms of plastic and cost 8 RM per kilogram. Required. 1. What cost for the plastic should have been incurred to make 35,000 helmets? How much greater or less than is the cost that was actually incurred? Break down the differences computed into material price variance and a materials quantity variance. Okay, step 1. So we need to figure out what should have been incurred before we can figure out what the variance is. So, number of helmets. It was 35,000. And then the standard kilogram of plastic per helmet. So this was given in the problem. So in each of these, it should have been 0.6 kilograms of plastic. So let's see how much plastic we should have used. We just multiply these two together. And we should have used 21,000 kilograms of plastic. And then we had a standard cost per kilogram of 8 RM. Okay, so the total standard cost should have been the standard kilogram times the standard cost. And this is RM. So, now that we know what we should have had, let's figure out what we actually had. Actual costs incurred. And this was given. They said in the problem we incurred 171,000 RM. Total standard cost. We calculated this from above. Total material variance. So we paid a total of 3,000 RM more. So this is an unfavorable variance. We paid more unfavorable, right? Now to figure out what was actual price variance and what was quantity variance, we're going to have to start with to calculate price variance. We're going to take actual quantity times actual price which is the 171, right? This was actual quantity times actual price. And then we're going to take actual quantity quantity times standard price. So that equals 22,500 kilograms times our standard price. So price variance and this is favorable. We saved $9,000. Well, let's see to calculate the quantity variance. We are going to take actual quantity times standard price, which is this, and then we're going to take standard quantity times standard price, which equals the standard quantity was given in the problem as 21,000 right here, and standard price, which is 8, equals 168. So quantity variance equals 12,000 unfavorable. So what happened in this problem is we had a favorable price variance, so price was less than we had for standard, but we had an unfavorable quantity variance, which means we used more material than we had anticipated or that we used for our standard. And this is how we calculate direct material variance.